Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn about substitute function in Excel. How to replace a word with another word using the substitute function in Excel. If we go with the definition, then the substitute function is quite similar to the replace function. However, substitute replaces one or more instances of a given text string, where replace replaces text in a specific position of a supplied string. So let me show you with an example how we can perform. Here you can see I have a data. Here I want Office to be replaced with Excel. In the same way with rest of the text also, it should be replaced with the new text. So how we can replace this? There is a formula called substitute in Excel. I'll show you how we use this formula. Alright, I hope I'm clear what I want to convey. So let's start with the formula. As you know very well, when we apply any formula, we start with equal to or plus sign. So let me type equal to, then just press sub su. You can see it is already giving you options. Substitute. How you can select this without typing the formula? Just simply press tab. So once you press tab, your formula is ready to used. So you can see it is whenever we apply any formula, it already asks for the details what you need to use this formula. How you can use this formula, all details are given here. So first, what it is asking, bracket is already open. Now it is asking text. What is the text? This is our text, Microsoft Office. I'll click on this. I'll just change the first one, and you can see all the rest of the text will be replaced. So I have selected the text. Now it is asking old text. What is the old text you want to replace with? See, I want to replace Office. So what you will do, put double quote, then write Office, double quote, close. And what it is asking, new text. So what is the new text? Then you can see after old text there is a comma, so I am giving a comma here. You have to follow each and everything properly, otherwise there should not be any space in between your formula, otherwise your formula will start giving error. So always remember, there should not be any extra space while applying any formula. So what is the new text? New text would be this Excel. Now bracket close. So simply close the bracket. Now let me enter and see what result we get. You can see your Microsoft Office has been replaced with Microsoft Excel. Office is replaced with Excel. So what about the rest of the text? How will you replace? Don't need to worry about the rest of the text. Now you don't need to apply same formula to the other one. So once you have applied the formula, it will work for the rest of the text as well. It will work to replace the rest of the text as well. So what you need to do, either you can just hover your mouse here, and you can drag your mouse till down, or you can simply just double click. When you are able to see this plus sign, just double click. So now you can see we have got the result. So you can see rest Office has also been replaced with new text. So this is how we can use substitute formula. I hope you learned something. with this video. If you think this video was worth watching, you learned something, do like, comment and share with your friends this video so that your friends can also benefit with this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.